Okay, we're in a clay line here, and you can see the color and the water line on each side of it that's white. Here's another, that's where the hub is, connects to another one. And this camera has a gimbal in it, so it always faces up. There was a cockroach, we saw it going by. Now we're dropping into, there's some more cockroaches. It looks like we're in the main sewer, everybody. And there's no water flowing because everyone seems to be not home at the moment. We're going to flush the toilet for you so you can see the water flow here. If you listen, you can hear the water flow coming. Here it comes. There we go. Okay, everybody, there's no toilet paper in there, so looks pretty good.